Want that TikTok shop haul without breaking the bank right now? Let's unlock the secrets of financing your favorite items. First, head to the TikTok shop and find that must-have item. Notice the total price, we're gonna make that number a lot less scary. Now, look for available payment options. Many sellers integrate buy now, pay later services right into their listings. You might see logos for Klarna, Afterpay, Affirm, or similar companies. On the checkout page, you will find available payment options. Tap to select the financing service you prefer. Selecting one of these options will split up the payment. Next, you will be redirected to the chosen service's website or app. You may have to sign up for an account if you haven't already. Follow their steps to create an account. They'll perform a quick credit check and determine your eligibility. It is an instant approval in some cases. Make sure you read all the terms and conditions carefully, paying close attention to interest rates and payment schedules. Once approved, confirm your payment plan, and boom! Your TikTok shop goodies are on their way, and you'll pay in manageable installments. Remember to always shop responsibly, stick to your payment schedule to avoid late fees, and enjoy your TikTok shop treasures. Make sure to read through the terms and agreements to be mindful about the dates.